Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Los Angeles English, where learning English is relaxed, practical, and fun. I'm Sarah.
Hi, Sarah. Hi, everyone. It's so great to be here again. I am feeling super positive today.
That's wonderful, John. You look very cheerful. What's the good news?
Well, I had a big cup of coffee this morning. The weather is beautiful here in Los Angeles, and I'm ready to practice some English. How are you feeling, Sarah?
I'm feeling great. I'm especially happy because today's topic is something we all love.
Ooh, I like the sound of that. What is it about?
Today, we're talking about weekend plans, home cooking, and simple conversations with friends.
Three of my favorite things: weekends, food, and talking. This is going to be fun.
Before we jump into today's dialogue, we have a small request for our amazing listeners.
Yes, if you enjoy our podcast, please tap the like button. It really supports Los Angeles English.
And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an episode.
And share this with a friend who is learning English. Practicing together makes everything easier and more enjoyable.
Exactly. All right, John, are you ready for today's conversation?
I'm ready. Who are we listening to today?
Today's dialogue is between Emma and David. They are co-workers who are also good friends. They're talking about their weekend and making simple plans.
I love conversations like that. They're so natural and useful. Let's listen.
Dialogue. Hi, David. How was your weekend?
Hi, Emma. It was really nice. I stayed home and tried a new recipe. How about you?
I was quite busy, but it was a good kind of busy.
Oh, what did you do?
I cleaned my apartment and invited my sister over for dinner.
That sounds productive. What did you cook?
I made grilled chicken with rice and a fresh salad.
Wow, that sounds healthy and delicious. Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I do. Cooking helps me relax after a long week.
I wish I enjoyed cooking more. I usually eat out on weekends.
There's nothing wrong with that, but cooking at home can save money.
That's true. Maybe I should learn a few simple dishes.
You definitely should. It's easier than you think.
Maybe you can teach me sometime.
Sure. When are you available?
I'm free this Sunday afternoon.
Sunday works for me. Let's meet at my place at 3:30 p.m.
Perfect. I'll bring dessert.
That's a great idea.
I'm already looking forward to it.
Wow, I love that conversation. It feels very real.
Yes, and it has so many useful expressions for beginners.
Let's break it down. First, Emma asks, "How was your weekend?"
That's a very common question on Monday. Notice we use was because the weekend is finished. It's in the past.
Exactly. And David answers, "It was really nice. Simple and clear." Then he says, "How about you?"
I love that phrase. How about you is short, natural, and friendly. It keeps the conversation moving.
Right. You don't have to repeat the full question. Then Emma says, "I was quite busy."
Quite is interesting. It means a little or fairly. You can say, I'm quite tired, or it's quite cold today.
Good example. David asks, "What did you do?" That's a great follow-up question.
Yes, asking follow-up questions shows you're interested. That makes you a good conversationalist.
Then Emma says she invited her sister over.
Invite someone over means ask them to come to your home. Very common expression.
Exactly. David responds, "That sounds productive."
Sounds, again, just like that sounds delicious. We use sounds when we hear about something.
Perfect explanation. Then Emma says cooking helps her relax.
Helps me relax is a great structure. You can say music helps me relax or exercise helps me focus.
Yes, very useful pattern. David says he usually eats out.
Eat out means eat out a restaurant, another very natural phrase.
Emma encourages him by saying, "It's easier than you think."
I love that sentence. We can also say English is easier than you think.
Absolutely. Then they make a plan. When are you available?
That's a polite way to ask, when are you free?
And Emma says, "Let's meet at my place at 3:30 p.m.
Notice the word at. We use at for specific times. At 3:30, at noon, at midnight.
And David confirms, "I'll bring dessert."
That's another useful phrase. I'll bring. It shows you are offering to help.
Finally, he says, I'm already looking forward to it.
Such a positive way to end a plan. It shows excitement about the future.
Exactly. You see, everyone, simple conversations like this are powerful. You don't need difficult vocabulary, you just need clear sentences and friendly expressions.
Conversation is like building a small house. You need simple bricks. Hello, how is your weekend? How about you? And then you build from there.
That's a beautiful way to say it, John.
Thank you, I try.
Now we have a question for you. What did you do last weekend? Did you cook something? Did you eat out? Tell us in the comments.
Yes, write a few sentences in English. Practice is the key to improvement.
And if you enjoyed this episode, please like, subscribe, and share Los Angeles English with your friends.
We truly appreciate your support.
It was wonderful spending time with you today.
As always, Sarah, it was a pleasure.
The pleasure was mine, John. Goodbye, everyone. See you in the next episode.
Bye-bye. Keep practicing and keep smiling.